Hey, this is Josh Taylor with Trade Advisor Pro, and I want to thank you for checking out our video today. Now, before we get started with today's free Forex training video, I want to give you a chance to pause this video right now and go to our website. Trade Advisor Pro offers you free Forex training videos, and trade alerts. And folks, you do not want to miss our trade alerts. We send out a bunch of trade alerts every month that are top rated in the industry. We send you our exact trades right to your inbox. Pause the video now. Go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free, and all you have to do is register and then come back to this video, and we'll be sending you a lot more goodies to help you with your Forex trading. Enjoy today's training video. Alright, let's look at another setup that we just sent out this morning for the Euro Aussie. I love this pair. Now I want to look at the weekly chart, and I don't have a lot of things drawn out on this, but on a weekly chart you can see that this thing is slowly, the Aussie dollar has been strengthening against the euro dollar, against the euro, for quite some time. In fact, we're talking about for a few years actually. And the price has been working its way down, went into consolidation for a while, and it's been slowly but working its way up, swinging down, lower highs, lower lows. It's worked its way up, and about 5 weeks ago has continued to come back down. So we are on a downtrend. I expect this pair to continue going down based on where we're at in the weekly chart. I do see a level of support in here that you can tell price has just bounced off of this level. So that's why we're seeing this thing here. I do expect it to come down. But what I do expect is that since it did hit this major, at least this was a low, a previous low. It wasn't the previous low, it was a previous low. That I do expect this pair to at least take a bounce off this over the next few days. So when you go to the daily chart, what I did is drew out a few key levels that we're close to. I mean, I can draw key levels all day long. There's some up here, but we're looking at the most recent ones. And there was a key level here. You can see price really hesitated here, and really hesitated here. Resistance, broke through, became support, right? Broke right through it the first time. But you could tell even way back here that this was a key level. This whole 2350 range is a pretty solid level. So price is currently down. In fact, here, by the way, let me zoom this back. Then we have another key level here, which price just recently hit and is bouncing back up. You can see this candle is working its way back up. So here's what I was expecting. I was expecting price, now that it broke through this key level, to come down and bounce off of this 2190 range, 2200, and do at least a slight level retracement. And so as we zoom in, I was looking at price to come back up, retest this original support level, which is a pretty solid support level. Retest, which is 123.46, and then to continue down, break through this 122 level, because on a weekly chart we are heading down, down, down. As you can see, it's going to went down, way back up, and I expect this thing to run all the way back down at least to this level here. And so what I'm doing is I'm taking a sell position here at 123.46. Got a 100 pip stop at 124.46, and my profit target is 116.40 range. Okay, now here's the deal. Price is not just going to shoot straight down here, even though this pair can take up some pretty serious ground pretty quick. What I do expect is that price is going to come down here, and this is my profit target number 2. And I am going to start closing profits on the way down as this thing starts barreling down. So as price gets down into this range in here, once it's up 150 pips, we'll start closing out some profits, and we'll allow this trade to just really push its way down to the 116.28 mark, and then we're going to trail it out with a trailing stop. So anyway, there it is. Actually, you know what? Let's look at one more. Let's look at one more trade. The Euro Pound, which I closed out 1 pip yesterday, and of course my Pro Signal direct customers are still in this trade. And let's find my Euro Pound. Open group. Okay. I think I had Euro Pound already drawn out here. Of course, my New Zealand dollar Aussie New Zealand dollar trade that I made 99 pips on yesterday in 1 hour. I bought down here, guys. I was already planning to buy this anyway, and then the New Zealand dollar negative news just really boosted me. You saw it in yesterday's video. I cleaned house, 2.22% return, 99 pips. I tried to close it at 100, and it recorded me at 90.99. But when you look here, this euro pound, our customers bought, or actually we bought it at 79.80. We have a 40 pip stop. It came down to 79.63, bounced off, and it looks like it's slowly but surely working its way up. Oops, I didn't get that in there. We bought right in this range here, which it's almost at right now. And we were expecting price to come up to the 80.20 and 80.60 marks. And we have a 40 pip stop on this at 79.40, and which is right down here. I'm gonna watch this closely. I need to see price really push up. I'm not really too keen on the fact that these candles last a day or so. It looks like it could be a reduction of downward pressure, and maybe we'll see a nice rally on the euro against the pound over the next day or so. And if not, I will end up closing out this trade, with a few pips, but try to keep it from moving into our stop level. So anyway, that's it for a quick analysis, guys. I just want to make sure, I'm going to try to do this more often. I get so slammed being in the market, but I know many of our customers really want to understand what's going on in my head as I'm looking at these trades. And the more knowledge I give you guys, the better, to kind of help you guys get a better understanding of how the markets work. So have a great one. Folks, I hope you enjoyed today's training video. If you have not done so already, stop this video now and go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free and register absolutely free for free Forex training videos, and free Forex traded alerts directly to your inbox. Go to the website right now and register for free. All kinds of goodies for you. Thanks a lot.